eyebrows. So we're going to put on some Maybelline Tattoo Gel Tint. I have tried this before, it works amazing. Absolutely stoked with the product, so I just thought I'd share that with you. I don't believe that there's a right and wrong way to wear makeup. I think we are all different. We have different skin types, we have different skin colours. I think this is just my way of putting it on, and I wanted to share that with you. So yeah, join in and I will show you how. I'm going to start off with some Rimmel Insta CC Primer. I'm going to put some of that on there to moisturise my skin. I've already prepped today, so I've already cleansed. Start off with some Rimmel Insta CC Primer. I'm going to put some of that on there to moisturise my skin. I've already prepped today, so I've already cleansed my skin. Soothing. Smells gorgeous. And just happens to have a tint of pink in it, which I love, so there you go. Okay. So I'm just going to grab my mirror here while we apply this incredible product. You put it on fairly thick and it basically stains your skin and your hair. You can pretty much pick what shape you want it to look like, where you want it to start and where you want it to finish. I know, it looks funny, right? But the results are pretty amazing and it just peels off. So we just wait a few minutes, 20 minutes I think it is, and then we can peel it off and it will stain your skin. It's gorgeous. So lay it on pretty thick. I've done this a few times. First time I didn't put it on. I thought, oh my goodness, what if it goes too dark? And there you have it. So it's now applied. We wait for about 20 minutes and you'll see when it's ready. It'll harden up. When it's time to take it off, you will just scrape it a little bit. I'll come back and show you how to take it off anyway. So I will see you soon. Okay, so welcome back. We are now about to take this eyebrow tint off and it is quite simple to do. So you just, they say to take it off with the growth of the hair. So you simply just pull it off. It's pretty amazing. And again, if you leave it long enough and dry, how's that? Pretty awesome. I am going to now go and finish and apply my makeup for the day. And my finished look for today. Thank you for tuning in. Got a little bit of a pretty and pink theme going on. Looking forward to my husband coming home. I will list all the products used and worn down below. So thank you for tuning in. It's been an amazing day. I'll catch you all again soon. Bye.